Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look not at a single stock, but at the SPBIO index. The chart we're looking at today here is the one-day chart. Each candlestick on the chart representing 1 day of trading. We go back to right around February, right around the end of February, beginning of March. You can see SPBIO has been all over the place, making wild swings throughout the months. But overall, it has pressed up nicely. We had this very significant uptrend here, very sharp increase. But we've been downtrending actually ever since this red candle here. You can see we've been making lower highs on the chart here, here, and here. And actually before today was an extremely bullish day for SPBIO. SPBIO index up, let's see, almost 150 points. Actually, it is up almost 200 points on the day. 171 points it is up. And LabU, our favorite 3x ETF, is actually up 10% today. So it was a great day for LabU, for SPBIO, and this could be the change of the trend. However, though the trend has been down overall recently, the greater picture is that the trend is up since we're still above that yellow 50-period moving average. The fact that we've stayed above that 50-period average shows great strength in SPBIO. Even when we've come down and tested it here, we still bounced right off that 50 moving average, and today we actually opened up almost once again on that 50 period average, came back up and tested this trend line that we've tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in the past. So this might be the time tomorrow when we actually break above this trend line. If we do, we'll see that 20 period average starting to cross over that 10 period average, that purple crossing over the green line there. And if not, there is a chance that we also get denied. But if we even form a red candle here, it's not the end of the world. If we have that red candle here, well, we'll still be above that 50 period average, and everything will still be fine to continue trying to break out of this downtrend. So the overall trend is up. The short-term trend is still down, but as long as we hang above this 50 period average, we'll be good. Now you'll notice I have these pivot points down here on the chart. These are actually pivot points that I use to trade SPBIO, but I haven't traded it much the last month or so. And you can see I'm actually not up to date in this current trading range. I actually have to update my pivot points on the SPBIO index. So if you're in my chat room, I will be sure to update those pivot points. I've got to plot out all the new ones, and then I'll update the pivot point bot that we have so that we can trade SPBIO more effectively in the near future and in the greater length future as well. LabU, LabD, those are 3x ETFs that we do enjoy using for those plays. And I definitely want to remind you guys about the video I posted before about trading SPBIO, and the biotech watch list that I posted in that video as well, because that's going to be super important for the plays coming up. If you guys took a look at that video, at that watch list, you would also have seen that every single biotech company I listed in that watch list was green today, and your indicators along with that watch list would have told you that LabU was a pretty good buy today, and sure enough, it is up 10%. So let's see what it does tomorrow. Two things can happen. We can break above this trend line finally and find some support here and work our way back up, or we'll fall back down and get denied, but I really don't think that we'll fall below this 50 period average. That's very unlikely. I think we'll probably have some good support at that 20 period average now. I'm sorry, that 13 period average, that purple line. And then once that 13 average crosses above that green average, let's kind of color code that, make it a little better. So we'll see the 13 average come up, we'll see that 20 period average come down, and then our support will raise to that 13 average up here. So right now we have soft support at the 20, and hard support at the 13, very hard support at the 50, and soon that support will raise up as the two converge and cross. So in other words, I'm more bullish on SPBIO overall, but tomorrow we really need to see what happens to see how the trend continues, and keep an eye out for those updated pivot points as well. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Stay tuned for more, and of course I will see you in the chat room, and we'll make some good trades together tomorrow.